Early morning, the sun is yet to rise. The magical water of the Bay of Bengal is turned into a riot of colors. A fisherman is trying his luck for the morning's fresh catch. At the same time, in the majestic Mahanadi River, a temple priest is busy offering his prayer to the sun god after the holy bath in the sacred water. Now you are at Highland, Odisha, but the time remains the same. Here you discover yet another immersive story. A man climbing a salaf tree to gather the nectar. That would quench everyone's morning thirst in his village. Odisha, a predominantly rural land, is both culturally and geographically diverse. Farming, foraging, food gathering, and fishing are the ways of life in rural Odisha. Its art and craft are closely knit with the daily rituals of Lord Jagannath. Odisha is an architectural odyssey. And is home to some of India's finest medieval Hindu temples, and Buddhist monasteries. Odisha is an incredible natural wonder. And a biodiversity hotspot. River Mahanadi is Odisha's lifeline and a traveler's paradise. Mangalajodi is one of world's finest birding destinations. Bhitarkanika is the mini Amazon. Odisha's Ikka is among the finest in the country. Odisha also is an incredible food destination in India. Here you savor some of the finest country cuisines.
This is a different kind of experience for me. Though I travel a lot, but this is completely new experience for me. That the people were waiting for us, they have made food for us, they have taken us everywhere, and they were sharing their experiences.
Odisha's stories will never be complete without its indigenous communities. Who have been living here for thousands of years, untouched by time. Come, let's discover Odisha, India's best kept secret with Sarana, which works for a sustainable future.
Hi everybody, I am Pratiksha Mishra. I'm a mass communication student. So after this quarantine thing that happened, I finally got an opportunity to get out of the house, and Sarana they gave us an opportunity to visit this beautiful place. I was really staggered by the beauty that this place, that Odisha actually has, and I'm really eternally grateful to the community. Thank you so much.